Lot 155 is the 1968 Toyota 2000 GT, the most important Japanese sports car of its time, perhaps of all time. A supercar of incredible capability and an absolute thrill to drive. This is one of only 84 left-hand drive cars, very few that exist in the United States, and it's been very comprehensively restored down to its original complete tool roll, and it's very, very complete as well. The 1968 2000 GT.
Thank you very much, Alan, for the quick introduction. Very rare indeed in left-hand drive. I'm going to be bidding here at $400,000. We'd like to start with 400. Thank you, sir. 400,000 I have. At 400,000, do I have $500,000? Thank you. Standing back of the room at 500,000 on the 2000 GT. At $500,000, do I have 600,000? Thank you. At 600,000. There she comes up on stage. $700,000 already at 700,000. Do I have $750,000? Do I have $800,000 now? We're at $750,000. Then on the commission bid at 750, do I have 775? 800 now, $800,000 then I have with Donnie at 800,000. Do I have $825,000 anywhere in the room at $800,000? It's Donnie's bid at just $800,000 that it's going, and I'm selling the car. It's going for the first time at $800,000 only, ladies and gentlemen, for a left-hand drive Toyota 2000 GT at $800,000. It's Donnie's bid and I'm selling. It's going for the first time. At $800,000, it's going for the second time, ladies and gentlemen. On my right here at $800,000. Fair warning, I'm selling the car for just $800,000. Are we all done? All finished at $800,000. Sold your car, Donnie, for 418. Well done, $800,000.